Alright, hey Jaime. So this is for practical exam 3. As you can see, my motor is spinning relatively slow compared to how it was spinning last time. You can get a lot more fine-tuned control of the motor. Here it's spinning at top speed, and then I can bring it down and adjust the speed a lot more easily than with just the MOSFET. So I have the circuit hooked up with the op amp and the MOSFET here. It's pretty confusing, but it's pretty much straight from your diagram. We have the plus 12 going here, the minus 12 going here, and we have the feed lines going into the op amp, and then we have the MOSFET with all of its feed wires, and then we have the negative feedback back to the op amp, which is what allows for the better control of the motor. By adjusting the potentiometer to a certain level, we put in a voltage that opens up the gate for the MOSFET. And once we do that, the output of the MOSFET will update, I guess you could say, the op amp, and that'll change the voltage from the op amp again back into it. And by this, you're able to get more exact control of the resistance from the MOSFET, because the op amp will be giving in, say, like 10 volts, and the motor might be using 9 volts, but then it'll come back around and the op amp will update it to 9 volts, and it'll go back again, and then that'll bring the resistance down and or up, whatever the case may be, and that gives you a lot better control than just the potentiometer, which by doing it by hand you can jump from 1 to 2 volts very quickly, where the op amp allows you to change a lot more smaller increments, which gives you better control of the motor, and then you can obviously get slower rotation rates of your motor like this.